Purosri Chakraborty. I am a class 3 student from Assembly of Coaches School, Raniganj. I am a UCMAS student too. Today I am going to give a speech on the topic how can we spend time with family during lockdown. Today, coronavirus has become a serious cause of global fear and concern. However, we can avoid the life-threatening virus from affecting us and our loved ones by staying at home. During this lockdown period, we can do few activities along with our family. We can do meditation. It will help us to reduce our stress, increase energy, enhance immunity system and benefit in a lot of more ways. We can read books together. We can get involved in a gardening activity. Along with our dear ones, we can play games such as hide and seek, board games, etc. We can watch movies or cook together, even if this period is providing annoying at some places. Still keeping yourself busy in some productive work is the only best solution to avoid any kind of restlessness. It is a situation of emergency and we have to fight this together. Be safe and well. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.